It's another math day here with teacher Jenny. This time we are going to discuss how to get the different combinations for the following data. So let's have the first one. What are the combinations if we are to take it by 4 and the following values? So 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we are going to form 4 digits out of these values. So in a way of checking whether we've got all the combinations, we are going to look for how many possible combinations are we expecting out from those numbers 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. How to do that one is for us to do the formula for the combination. We have NCR, in which that will be equal to n factorial over n minus r factorial times r factorial. Now, for you to get the value for this one, we are to replace n here by how many number of values are there. So we have 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that is 6. So 6, we are going to take 4 at a time, and that will be equal to 6 factorial over 6 minus 4 factorial times 4 factorial. So this will be equal to 6 factorial. That would simply mean 6 times 5 times 4 factorial. We are having it the 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 as 4 factorial because we wish to cancel out something so that it will be easier for us to do the multiplication. Now again, we have 6 minus 4, that will be 2 factorial times 4 factorial. We can just simply cancel this out. So we are now with 30 at the top and 2 factorial at the bottom, which is equal to 2 times 1. So that is 2. And we have now our 15 as the possible combinations that we can come up with numbers with 4 values given the following values. So what are those 15? So let's have that one here. So naming those 15, we are going to have it in a system or a process. So let's consider the first one here, the first few, not the first few, but first 4 values are 2, 5, 6, and 7. Now once you have that one, you are going to change your last digit into the other numbers that are not taken. So we have 2, 5, 6, and then 8. Next is we have 2, 5, 6, 9. Next one, we are changing, since we have now the 9 as the last digit there given on the data, we are going to, or that will be our way of determinant as to what digit are we changing. So we're changing now our third digit. Okay, so we're changing the third digit there. So from 6, our next value on that given values there is 7. So we'll be changing our 6 to 7. So we have 2, 5, 7. Next to that one is 8. And we are changing now the last digit because we still have 9 in there. So we have 2, 5, 7, and then 9. So again, there is a 9. So that means to say we are now changing. Still, we are changing our third digit. So from 7, we have now 8. So we have 2, 5, 8, 9. So again, we have our 9. That means to say we're changing. Now, what we are changing now is our second digit because we've changed our third digit all throughout until we have the last one as 8. We cannot have 9 there because we don't have a number after 9. So we stop the changing on the third digit there. So next one is we are changing our second digit there or second number, which is 5. So we change that one to the next value, which is 6. So we have 2, 6, and next number is 7, and next number is 8. Next, we are changing our last digit. So we have 2, 6, 7, 9. So that's 9. We are now changing. What we are changing is the digit before that one or the number before that one. So we have now 2, 6. Instead of 7, we have that as 8. And then the next number is 9. So again, we have the 9. That means to say we're changing another number. So we changed now. We're done changing the third one. So we changed the second number. So from 6, we are now moving to the next number, which is 7. So we have 2, 7. Number after that one is 8. And then we have 9. No, we cannot change the last digit. That's 9. So we are now going to, and we cannot change the third digit because that's 8 already. We cannot have 9 in there because we cannot form four numbers on that combination if we have there 9 on the third one. I hope that's clear. So again, we're changing our 7 to the number 8. So we have 2, 8, 9. Notice we only have 3 digits in there. That means, or 3 numbers. That means it's not possible. So we are erasing this one, and instead we are changing the first number in there. So we have first number change as the next number to 2, which is 5. So we have 5, 6, 7, and 8. And we're changing the last digit. We have 5, 6, 7, 9. And then we try to check whether we can change our third number. So we can have it as 5, 6, 8, 9. Yes, that's possible. And next one, since this is 9, so we are now trying to change the third. But the third one is with the 9, which is next. So cannot be. Next, we go for the second digit and see if we can change this one into the next number as 7. So let's see. 5, 7, 8, 9. So we can come up with 4 numbers on that combination. So that's okay. Now, this is 9. That means to say we're now changing. So we've changed 7. If we try to change this one into 8, we only have 5, 8, and then 9. So that cannot be. We cannot form 3 numbers on that combination. So we are now changing our first number to 6. Let's see if we can come up with 4 numbers on that. 6, 7, 8, and 9. And if you try to change this one, cannot be. So I guess that will be the last one. Let's try to check if we have 15 combinations here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So that is how we are going to get our possible combination or combinations from that given value. So this is now your teacher Jenny saying good luck and everything will be all right. So kindly like, share, and subscribe and click on the notification bell button so that you will be updated to my latest video.